Congress open by inaugurating the scientific book for 3rd World Congress in Biotechnology.
Honorable Ministers, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, eminent scientists, personalities and my dear students. Being the part of organizing committee and convener of this conference, I heartily welcome you all in this high-tech biotech city of Andhra Pradesh. Very few of you may knowing that this is also the Pearl City of India and Biotech City of India also, which has more than 75 centers of scientific excellence in one city. One of the high-tech city of the India. If you go a little around, you can see, and within few days we are going to have a United Nations meeting on COP11, which you may have seen the direction. So one of the very prestigious city for science and technology in India. In this world-class conference also, we are trying to have a lot of attraction for the younger students, the young mind competition, poster competition, a lot of areas of biotechnology like industrial biotechnology, applied, environmental, and moreover medical and microbial biotechnology. I hope you will enjoy your stay in this conference as well as the successful deliberations and the meeting with your peers. Please try to attend all the sessions irrespective of your specialization. That's the purpose we try to do in this world class of biotechnology, that the people can meet with the other areas of expertise so that the interdisciplinary vision and the competitions and the thoughts process can come over. Thank you very much.
Now it's time for Dr. Srinu Babu Gadala to come and join us with his speech.
Good morning, respected dignitaries on the dais, Sri Ponnala Laxmaya, Honorable Minister for Information Technology and Communication, Andhra Pradesh, and Sri Chitracharla Vijaya Ramaraju, Honorable Minister for Environment, Science and Technology, Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Jag, Chief National Institute of Drug Abuse, United States, Dr. Mukesh Verma, one of my colleagues, Chief National Cancer Institute, United States, Dr. Jaymohan Joseph, Chief National Institute of Mental Health, National Institute of Health, Dr. Howard S. Fox, Professor, University of Nebraska Medical Center, Dr. Madhavan Nair, Professor, Florida International University, Dr. Motonobu Yoshida, Professor in Agriculture from Kinki University, Japan, and Dr. Saxena, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, India, one of the India's premier research institute. Friends, colleagues, students, and scientists, a very good morning to all of you. As introduced by Lavanya, OMICS group was initiated in 2007 when I got the Young Scientist Award at Human Proteome Organization, South Korea. So I raised the question, the problems encountered by the scientists who are working in underdeveloped countries to get the access. For that, lot of scientists supported, and we started the first journal called the Journal of Proteomics and Bioinformatics. And the OMICS group was expanded at Stanford University during my postdoctoral studies. And all of you are aware of the Stanford University research alumni and their support. It is one of the premier research institute in the world. Day by day, the OMICS group was expanding. Now we have 200 open access journals, and we are doing our best to support and making healthcare scientific information open access. So far, around 20,000 scientists, well qualified scientists, signed and supporting for our initiative that in making science and healthcare information open access. We have well reputed people here who is going to explain the funding opportunities from National Institute of Health to Indian students, scholars and scientists, and they are going to focus on how to get the funding from United States. I thank to our distinguished guests, experts, scientists who have been kind enough to join us at the inauguration ceremony of Third World Congress on Biotechnology and have graced us with their presence. Let us enjoy the Biotechnology 2012. I thank National Institute of Health, United States, the World Bank, the Wellcome Trust of United Kingdom, and other funding agencies for their financial support. With their support, we are here, and with their support, we are running our open access journals. Once again, thank you one and all.
గెదల శ్రీనుబాబు గారు ఆయన విశాఖపట్నం నుంచి బట్ చాలా ప్రామినెంట్ పర్సనాలిటీ అయ్యారు. లాస్ట్ 5 yearsలో 2007లో ఓమిక్స్ గ్రూప్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఓమిక్స్ గ్రూప్ మెయిన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పబ్లికేషన్స్, తర్వాత హోల్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ కాన్ఫరెన్సెస్ చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేశారు ఆయన ఇప్పటివరకు. హైదరాబాద్ స్పెసిఫిక్గా బల్క్ డ్రగ్ క్యాపిటల్ అయిన తర్వాత ఫార్ములేషన్స్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆయన రోల్ ఇంకా ప్రామినెంట్ అయింది హైదరాబాద్లో. 2007 సంవత్సరం నుంచి ఆయన కండక్ట్ చేసిన కాన్ఫరెన్సెస్ కానీ ఓపెన్ యాక్సెస్ జర్నల్స్ కానీ ఆన్ సైట్ విత్ కాలిఫోర్నియా యాజ్ ద బేస్, అండ్ హీ హ్యాస్ బీన్ వెరీ ప్రామినెంట్ ఇన్ యాక్చువల్లీ కనెక్టింగ్ ది ఇండస్ట్రీ అండ్ అకాడమియా. అంటే పరిశ్రమని, తర్వాత అకాడమిక్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్స్ ఉన్న కాలేజెస్ కానివ్వండి, థియరీ కానివ్వండి, థియరీని ప్రాక్టీస్ని హెస్ బ్రాట్ ఇట్ టుగెదర్. సో ఆ రకంగా ఆయన చాలా ప్రామినెంట్ పర్సన్ అయ్యారు. ఆయన వాళ్ళు మనతో ఉన్నారు డిస్కస్ చేయడం కోసం. అసలు ఓమిక్ గ్రూప్స్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయిందండి, మీకు ఐడియా ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Yes, when I'm doing my PhD at Andhra University, I faced a lot of problem to get the relevant literature because our universities didn't have the subscription to paid journals. So at the time we faced a lot of problem as a young scientist, as a young research scholar. At the time I got the Young Scientist Award from Human Proteome Organization. This is one of the world leading proteomics organization and omics organization at South Korea in 2007. Okay. At that time I raised the question to the scientific community, we are the people from underdeveloped countries facing so much problem, so much difficulty in getting the literature. At the time I initiated to start an open access journal in proteomics. So, as per their suggestions, as per my interest and their support, we started the first open access journal called the Journal of Proteomics and Bioinformatics. Okay. After that I moved to Stanford University in 2008. There we built around 10 more open access journals with the support from the Stanford research alumni. You know, the Stanford is one of the world leading research institute as well as the business school also. Okay, there we explored and expanded around 10 more journals in 2008. Okay, after that day by day we are getting the support from the scientists. So as of now we have around 20,000 scientists who signed to support OMICS group initiative in making healthcare and scientific information open access. 20,000 well qualified scientists are there with us to support our initiative.
రైట్, మీరు ఇప్పటివరకు ఎన్ని కాన్ఫరెన్సెస్ హోల్డ్ చేశారండి?
So far we organized around 56 conferences. In fact, in Hyderabad we organized around 5 conferences. I think you know two conferences are related to clinical trials, bioequivalence, and we are bringing world leaders to Hyderabad, the capital of bulk drug industry. And coming to our open access journals, we have around 200 open access journals. Those journals are useful to the young scholars to get relevant literature in their field, and indirectly we are helping to the scientists from underdeveloped countries. We are making science and healthcare information open access with these 20,000 well qualified scientists.